Hello, so welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up your Photoshop layout. Your Photoshop layout. So I already taught you how to create a new document on my initial video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up your Photoshop layout for swift and easy design and access to your panels. All right. Here, this layer, the first layer upward is your menu bar. Here is your toolbar, and then these are your panels, your color panel, your swatches, gradients, and your layer panel, channels, and the rest of it. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to set it up for swift and easy design. Meanwhile, when you open up your Photoshop for the first time, this is probably how it's going to be looking like. So I'm going to show you how to set it up the way you want. All right, to take out everything here, everything by the right hand side, you just have to drag it out like this, and then you can close it up. You can just drag it out and close it up, drag it out and close it up. All right, so you have this now. So the next thing to do is to go to your windows at your menu bar, and all the panels that you need can be gotten from your windows. So when you get to your windows, you look for the ones you want. Okay, first of all, we're going to bring out our colors, our color. All right, so I'm going to click on color, and it brings out something like this. So I'm going to drag this to this point. When I drag it to this point, you're going to see a blue line showing at the extreme at the end of it. So you could just drop it there, and it shows your it places your layer panel there. All right, the next thing we're going to bring out is our what's it called, our layer panel. Our layer panel, very important for your design. All right, so you're going to select layer here, and then you're going to drag it here, here, and then you're going to drop it. It creates a layer panel for you. So the next thing we're going to be taking out from the windows is our character panel for your text. Yes. All right, so I'm going to look for character and then click on it. So it brings out our character panel, and then I'm going to place it on top of this. Hope you can see the blue line there. Just going to drop it on top of it. So you have your layers up, your character panel up, and your layer panel down. Right, so the next thing I'm going to be bringing out is our properties panel. This is very important when you're designing. So click on properties, and then I'm dragging it down, all the way down to this point. You're going to see a blue light, and then you're going to drop it right there. All right, so we have our properties panel here. So the next other thing, an important thing I'm going to be bringing out is our what's it called, our adjustment panel. So I'm just going to click on adjustments. All right, so I'm going to place it right here. All right, so I'm going to increase this, and I'm going to increase this as well, so that my properties panel can be showing very well. All right, so now we have this. All right, so whenever you're designing on your Canva, this white stuff here is called Canva. So let's say we drew a shape here. It's going to be showing on your layer panels here on the right hand side, and then on your properties panel, where you can change the width, the height, the color, the stroke, and to cover it, the rest of it. All right, hope you enjoy this class. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, so you'll be getting tips and tricks of Photoshop and graphic design in general. Thank you, and God bless you.